Hi there, everybody. Now that we already know the verbs, let's put them to use, right? What is the meaning of to put them to use? To put the verbs to use é colocá-los em uso, né? Quer dizer, usá-los, né? Let's put them to use. Look at that. These are the verbs. Now, let's see these verbs in the speed limit, in the fines. Vamos começar. Olha só. He is changing, right? He's changing the letters. Right. So, the verb to change. Mudar, né? Mudar. Ou pode ser também se trocar, né? Let me change. Tá? Muito bem. Ó, he's throwing trash in the trash can. He's throwing trash on the ground. Look at this. What is this? Speed limit 50. Speed limit. Speed é velocidade. Limite é limit é limite. Então, speed limit é o limite de velocidade naquela determinada rua. Então, vamos lá. Repeat. Speed limit. Again, speed limit. One more time. Speed limit. What is the speed limit here? What is the speed limit here? Look here. The speed limit here is 50 kilometers. No, it's 50 miles, né? São 50 milhas, certo? 50 milhas, não quilômetros. Qual a diferença? What is the difference between a mile and a kilometer? A mile is 1.6 kilometers, right? 1 mile is 1.6 kilometers. Então, uma milha, ela é um pouco mais do que 1 quilômetro, certo? É 1,6 quilômetros. All right? Muito bem, very good. Agora, the speed limit can change. The speed limit is not always the same. Each area, each street is going to have a specific speed limit, tá? Isso vai sempre ter uma placa mostrando qual é o speed limit naquela região, certo? Então tem que ficar sempre de olho quando você dirige, de olho na velocidade máxima, no speed limit, no limite de velocidade. Alright? E se a gente quebrar? Olha só, a gente pode usar o verbo quebrar para quebrar também uma regra, tá? What is the rule? The rule is here the speed limit is 50 miles, right? 50 miles. But what happens if we break the rule? How do we break the rule? If the speed limit is 50 miles, how do we break the rule? We run faster than 50 miles, right? If we run faster than 50 miles and the speed limit is 50 miles, we break the rule, don't we? Yes, we do. Do we break the rule if we run faster than the speed limit? Yes, we do. What happens if we run faster than the speed limit? We break the rule. We break the rule. What happens if we break the rule? There is a fine for every rule that we break. What is the meaning of a fine? Fine é uma multa. Attention. This word has two different meanings, the same word. How are you? I'm fine. Eu tô bem, né? I'm fine. But here, it's a different meaning. Here, fine doesn't mean that I'm fine. It means that I'm getting a fine that I must pay, né? Eu tenho que pagar. Uma fine é uma multa, right? Então, vamos repetir a frase para a gente gravar a frase toda. There's a fine for every rule that we break. Again, there's a fine for every rule that we break. Is there a fine for every rule that we break? Yes, there is. What is there for every rule that we break? There's a fine for every rule that we break. Fantastic. What is there a fine for? There's a fine for every rule that we break. Fantastic. In general, né? Estamos falando do geral. Lógico que se a regra for muito grave, não vai ter fine, vai ter prisão, essas coisas, né? Mas estamos falando aqui no trânsito, alright? É traffic. In traffic. Alright. What is the speed limit? Vocês vão ver, aqui só aparece 50, mas pode aparecer 50 mph. mph quer dizer miles per hour, tá? Milhas por hora, tá? Milhas por hora. mph, miles per hour. Go, repeat. Miles per hour. Again, miles per hour. Não precisa dizer tudo, né? What's the speed limit? 50 mph. Ou então 55. Não precisa nem falar o mph. Mas se você ver escrito, ouvir falar, já sabe do que se trata. Alright? Então, what's the speed limit in our city? What's the speed limit in our city? The average is 55 mph, but it can change, tá? Então me dá essa resposta. What's the speed limit in our city? All right, again, what's the speed limit in our city? All right, it's the average, right? It can change, pode mudar. Numa rua pode ser 40, na outra pode ser 30, na outra pode ser 25, tá? Quanto mais perto de escola, a menor o limite de velocidade permitido. All right? What is the average? What is the average speed limit? Perfect. The average is 55. 55. Is the average 55? Yes, it is. Can it change? Yes, it can. Can it change? Yes, it can. There are signs along the streets showing it. Olha só. What are there along the streets, né? Ao longo da rua. What is there? What is there along the streets? There are signs along the streets, né? Showing it. Showing what? Showing the speed limit, right? Are there signs along the streets showing it? Yes, there are. What are there along the streets? There are signs along the streets. What do the signs show? They show the speed limit. Perfect. Do the signs show the speed limit? Yes, they do. What do the signs show? The signs show the speed limit. Perfect. Olha só, atenção no along, né? Along the street, ao longo da rua, certo? Ao longo da rua vão existir sinais de trânsito, ó, sinais de trânsito mostrando o speed limit, right? Along the streets. Now, let's talk about the fines. How much are they? How much are the fines? Attention. If the speed limit is 55 and you drive faster than 55, what happens? The ticket, what is the ticket? The ticket é o bilhete, certo? The ticket, ele é olha, é ticket, é um bilhete, um bilhete, pode ser um bilhete de ônibus, um bilhete de trem, um bilhete de avião, um bilhete de entrada de show, tudo é bilhete, é ticket. But it's also a fine ticket, right? How much is the ticket? The ticket costs $200. If you run faster than the speed limit, the ticket costs $200. How much does it cost if you run faster than the speed limit? The ticket costs $200. Does the ticket cost $200 or $400? It costs $200. How much does the ticket cost if you run faster than the speed limit? Very good. The ticket costs $200. What happens if you drink and drive? Às vezes tem gente que esquece, bebe e depois vai dirigir, né? Bebe e aí dirige. Não pode, né? What happens if you drink and drive? Look, if you drink alcohol, lógico, não é beber um refrigerante, não tem problema, beber água, but alcohol you can't. If you drink alcohol and drive, the ticket costs around $390. 390. How much does it cost if you drink and drive? It costs around 390. Around, né? Pode ser um pouco menos ou um pouco mais, dependendo. How much does it cost? It costs 390. Perfect. Attention. Essa é a primeira multa, tá? A primeira. The first fine. Se você é pego de novo uma segunda vez, bebendo e dirigindo, aí a situação fica feia. Alright? Olha só. Now, if you throw trash on the street, ó, he is throwing trash in the trash can. But the man on the left is throwing trash on the ground, right? He's throwing trash on the ground on the street. What happens if you throw trash on the street? The fine costs the fine starts at $100 and can get up to $1,000. Tá? The fine starts if you throw trash on the street. How much is the fine? Or how much does the fine cost? Perfect. The fine starts at $100 and can get up to $1,000. Ela pode get up to, né? Ela pode aumentar até chegar até $1.000. All right? Does it start at $1,000? No, it doesn't. Where does it start? It starts at $100. And how much can it get up to? It can get up to $1,000, dependendo da situação, dependendo da quantidade de lixo que você foi pego jogando, dependendo das vezes que você joga, porque isso tudo está registrado no sistema, né? Registrado com o CPF, que no caso é o Social Security Number, tá? Então, vamos lá. My attention, pedestrians also must follow rules, right? Not only the drivers, not only the bikers, but also the pedestrians. Look here. If you cross the street, já sabemos, né? Atravessar a rua. If you cross the street when the don't walk sign is on, the fine starts at $200. Tá? Você está atravessando na faixa. O sinal está fechado para você, pedestre. A polícia te vê, você tem que pagar $200, começando com $200, tá? Começando. The fine starts at $200. Where does the fine start? The fine starts at $200. How much does it cost? It costs $200. Fantastic. All right. Então, the rules are important. We must respect the rules, right? We can break the rules, but if we break the rules, there are consequences, right? Consequences. There are consequences. And they may be very expensive. Look at that. Very expensive. It may cost a lot. Pode, lembra do may? It may cost a lot If you break the rules, tá? Então aqui é só para dar uma dica, né? Uma dica de trânsito que é coisa séria, right? All right? All right. Então, presta atenção que as coisas são sérias, principalmente quando mexe no bolso, né? Quando mexe no bolso fica complicado. Então, pay attention, practice, and then come back because there is more. See you soon.